Hello. Wait, where they go, sef? This guy, one day, run my package. No go, try
Guy, I give you 50k, make bring the video for my sister party. Where the video dey? Oh, now I won't give me a attention. Calm down. Okay. You know what? My bad. I take full responsibility. Now me supposed tell you there. Say skip off brain. Okay, you know waiting happen. You know say the video they busy all these days. As they go Atlanta, that's why they go New York. From New York they go London. From London they go China. They perform everywhere all over the world. Even he just come back from New York Festival from Atlanta. Yes! So now I can't say done higher. So I come tell and say, okay, you know what? Just rest for this weekend. Now I can give me a new artist.
Wait, which new artist?
Sparkatos.
Spartacus.
No, he name as Sparkatos because anytime he sing like this, he will spark everywhere.
Good job. Good job.
Guy, what did they worry you?
I've already done.
Now my woman be this one.
Ibado. You they look at like say he just say Ibad. As he did like that, they do know just you know how many people know. Because I knew they are working on this album. I said they are for the album. Where did that boy they do? JC they did. JC, Nicki Minaj did that album. Nicki, Whiskey that. Not tell anybody. Not tell anybody. Because I don't want to make the video.
Okay.
Don't worry. If he go perform, no worry. Just calm down, no worry.
Okay. I don't calm. But tell her make it drop that food now. Why they drop food like that? Make it drop food. Make it focus.
He dey shop. This boy no good. This guy. Okay, no wait. I got it. Okay, well, I'll sort it.
Guy.
My bad.
Yeah!
Don't mess up. I got you.
Yo man, look at them young. My friend, not my friend.
Sparkatos.
Good job.
What's it be this now? Why did you like no performance you can't do? Now food you can't talk for you.
Oh no, because I can't perform. I know the job.
I bet son come man. You follow you talk. Drop the food now. Wait this.
I don't go back.
No, say it be 30 BG.
I have to go. Okay. I know go drive to Tokyo.
Sparkatos, why they do like this now? Why see the way everybody they look you, they chop turkey? For you know say that performance you can't do here. You go chop turkey now, you go forget waiting we don't rehearse.
How about you believe I go forget? You believe I go forget? That means you don't believe in me.
I believe in you. No, stop. You don't start this on emotional blackmail. I believe in you. Okay, yeah, no wala. You don't forget everything I tell you, everything we will hear. So if you reach there now, what you go talk, I go take ginger there.
See, if I just enter like this, all of them know say they go love me, they go first they shout, they'll come like, oh my fans in the building, what's up?
I don't like that one no go. We should be what's up. You say nobody don't know you yet. I don't like that one, talk another one.
Okay, they never know me. Okay, man, give you another. This one go mad.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm so bad, you can call me bastard.
Yeah! Abba, Sparkatos, why they do like this one be that? We can't talk with that one. Should we see the... Okay, you know what?
You don't like that one?
I don't like that. Say what you talking?
You don't get sense of humor. You don't get good sense.
No problem. You go there, may go flop. See, if you don't read the what you will just say, everybody say, yeah, finish.
Now that one you want?
That one I want.
Man, no waste my bars. Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
Try them.
Everybody say yeah. If you don't say yeah, I'm mad.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, are we having fun? Yeah! Are we having a good time? Yeah! All right, now to usher in the celebrant to her party, we've taken pains to invite Davido! All right. So Davido couldn't make it because he has been busy on tour. But we have the next best thing here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 30 BG's new signee. here tonight. Yes. He has performed with the likes of Jay-Z. He has performed with the likes of Nicki Minaj. I'm telling you, he has performed with a number of international stars around the world. So he has played with Thames. Okay, yeah. So he has also performed with Thames. Yeah. Okay. Now put your hands together for Spartacus. Okay, Spartacus. Put your hands together for Spartacus.
Oh my God, it's Spartacus. Let them know.
When I say spa, you say Catus, spa.
Cactus.
DJ, give me track 2.
See?
Give me track 2.
I don't have your song. Oh.
Yeah!
I don't have any of your song.
That's my song.
Yes, I don't have your song.
My track. Shaggi.
Sorry, man. Hey, DJ. How far? Sorry. Just play anything. You know, play SS the beat. He go freestyle, no worry. He never know where I break up.
Spartacus.
Yeah. Say, when I say spa, you say Catus, spa.
Cactus.
No, let you do spa.
Cactus.
That's my manager. He lay my bed. Yeah. That is why I call him Omale. When I wake up in the morning, I'm so bad. He can call me bastard. My lyrics so cool. Kukuruku. My lyrics so cool. Kukuruku. Jamu, my son. I no, sir. Omale. Le malo. Omale. No, stop the beat now. Stay perform. I'll perform for you. So, I never finish.
Give me the mic first.
I never finish.
Give me the mic first.
Okay, I want to change the battery.
Yeah, I want you.
Oh, yeah, change it. Give me track 3. Track 3, that one mad. Do fast. Why they keep the battery?
Guy,
What's up?
where your manager?
Is that?
I said, where your manager? Where Shaggi?
I don't know.
Shaggi!
You know since I dey perform.
Shaggi!
Let me give me track 3. At least somebody there you go perform for that guy.
You dey follow me go army barracks. I dey tell you, wait till you do my party.
What I do your party?
You know say you scatter my party.
Me scatter your, me wey just dey perform just now.
Okay,
Wey your
I dey
people
come.
dey vibe.
I dey come first.
You know when the DJ wan change the battery, man, give am track 3.
This Spartacus now weary. You don't get future for music, right? Yeah. Hello, Rufus.
Hello Shaggi, where you dey?
I don't know where I do.
You don't know where you dey?
I don't know where I do.
Okay, when you know where you dey, come collect your friend for me back.
No wahala, carry am go back. I dey go the do house and go come carry am for barrack. Say na me inside am ni? Na me inside am. Go get out of my phone. Fucking them shit.
I don't know, Shaggi.
Now we dey go army
I swear
barracks.
to God, na POS I dey do, na POS.
30 BGs I need.
I don't be 30
We dey
BG.
now we dey go.
Stop. Okay, please, can I say something? Please, can I say something, sir?
Wetin?
Can I say one thing, sir?
Talk now.
I been keep price for that place. I beg make nobody touch am. I beg. I beg.
Go.
Bossa for original mumu bossa, bossa.